Tae Guk Sajang, Poomsae number 4. This Poomsae consists of back stance, big and walking stance, double knife middle block, spear hand, double knife block and attack, outside and inside block, single and double center punches. Jumbi. Back stance, double knife, middle block. Right hand, spear hand, big stance. Repeat the other side. Left hand, spear attack. Left hand, high block, right hand, inside knife. Front snap kick, big stance, left hand punch. Left leg, side kick. Right leg, side kick. Back stance, double middle block. Back stance, outside block, front kick, back, inside block. Turn on the side, outside block, kick, back in the back stance, inside block. Left hand, high block, right hand chop, front kick, right hand back fist. Walking stance, left hand block, right hand punch, right hand turn, right foot block, left hand punch, left foot, big stance block, punch, punch. One more time, big stance block, punch, punch with the kiap. Left foot step behind and baro.